Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper toggle, and as you can see here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. We can also tap on add from photos, and basically we will be transferred to our own gallery, and we will be able to choose something from our own photos. I will pick something from the pre-installed ones. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So let me pick maybe this one. So just tap on the specific option and wait. It will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set As, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back. I don't want to. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.